Hi, I'm Bill Hlubik, and I'm with Rutgers Cooperative Extension of Middlesex County. We're out here at the beautiful Earth Center at Davidson Mill Pond Park in South Brunswick, New Jersey, and we're going to give you a few tips on how to take a soil test, which is very important to get started gardening this year. And we'll also give you some tips on composting. So we're going to need a few tools, nothing special, just a simple bucket, screwdriver, if we've got a shovel or a trowel. That's how we're going to dig our soil sample. I happen to have this soil sample unit, which makes life a lot easier when trying to go into soil. And we want to sample down 6 to 8 inches. Take those core samples. We're going to take roughly 15 core samples for each area that we're calling that soil test. So you want to mark that clearly that this is sample 1 from your front lawn, sample 2 may be from your vegetable garden. So each area of the landscape that's treated differently, you're going to have a separate sample. So I'll take 12 to 15 random samples. And as I said, we're taking samples about 6 to 8 inches deep. We're taking off the top organic matter and then mixing up those samples. Then we're going to dry those samples down. We can just simply put them on a tarp or an open area out in the sun. We'll mix the sample again after we dry it and then go ahead and put that in a plastic bag. If we don't yet have our bag from the soils lab, we can go ahead and put it in a plastic bag once it's dry and then send it off to the soil sample lab after we've completely filled out the form. So let's go ahead and take some samples out here. We're going to randomly sample 6 to 8 inches deep, 12 to 15 spots randomly, and we're going to go ahead and put that in our bucket. After we put the soil in our bucket, we're going to mix that soil up very well with the trowel. Then we're going to take and put that soil on anything that we have where we can dry it out, whether it be a tarp or whether it be just a flat area that's exposed to the sun, so that we can scrape it back up again once it's dry. Put that sample that's been dried into a plastic bag. Put it in the soil test container that'll go to Rutgers or one of the labs that you've chosen. Make sure you fill out the sheet completely before you send it off, that you know what area that it's in, what kind of crop is being grown in that area. Is it a lawn area? Is it for a vegetable garden? Is it for ericaceous plants like acid-loving plants? And then that'll help the lab determine the type of results that you will get back. So a soil test is very important because it tells us about the soil chemistry. It gives us an idea of the pH or soil acidity, and it tells us nutrient levels that are already there. And by knowing that, we know what to add and what not to add, so we can protect the environment, protect water quality, and we can also save ourselves money by not adding material that we don't need. So that prevents runoff into areas that are non-target areas for fertilizers and for lime. So it's really important that you take that first step and take that soil sample. To learn more about many of these things that we're talking about today, you can also join our Earth Day Everyday series, which you'll see a link below, so that you can join us on Mondays for that program.